Hey again everyone, welcome to my channel where I talk about all things security. I am your legendary host, John, don't stop sharing, Doe. Today I'm going to talk about how bad guys manipulate human psychology and emotions to get what they want from you. Manipulation is the exercise of undue influence through mental distortion and emotional exploitation, with the intention to seize power, control, benefits, and/or privileges at your expense. Manipulators are often skilled at using your weaknesses, vulnerabilities, and emotions against you. Some of the ways that manipulators control their victims are positive reinforcement. This includes praise, superficial charm, superficial sympathy, excessive apologizing, money, approval, gifts, attention, facial expressions such as a forced laugh or smile, and public recognition. Manipulators use positive reinforcement to make you feel good about yourself and them, and to lower your guard. Negative reinforcement. This involves removing you from a negative situation as a reward. For example, a manipulator may stop criticizing you or threatening you if you do what they want. Manipulators use negative reinforcement to make you feel relieved and grateful, and to reinforce your compliance. Gaslighting. This is a form of psychological abuse that involves making you doubt your own perception, memory, or sanity. Manipulators use gaslighting to make you feel confused, insecure, and dependent on them. Intermittent or partial reinforcement. This is when the manipulator sometimes rewards you and sometimes punishes you for the same behavior. For example, a manipulator may compliment you one day and insult you the next day for doing the same thing. Manipulators use intermittent or partial reinforcement to keep you hooked and uncertain. Playing the victim role. This is when the manipulator portrays themselves as a victim of circumstances or someone else's behavior in order to gain sympathy, avoid responsibility, or justify their actions. Manipulators use playing the victim role to manipulate your emotions and make you feel sorry for them. Playing the innocent role. This is when the manipulator pretends to be unaware of what they are doing or the impact they have on others. For example, a manipulator may act like they don't know what you are talking about when you confront them about their lies. Manipulators use playing the innocent role to avoid accountability and deflect blame. Playing the helper role. This is when the manipulator offers to help you with something that you don't need or want, or that they are not qualified to do. For example, a manipulator may offer to fix your computer when they actually want to access your personal information. Manipulators use playing the helper role to gain your trust and access. So how can you protect yourself from manipulation? Here are some tips. Use your common sense. If something sounds too good to be true, it probably is. Don't fall for promises of easy money, free gifts, or instant love. Don't trust strangers who ask you for personal or financial information, or who want you to send them money or gift cards. Pay attention to the details. Look for signs of manipulation, such as inconsistencies, contradictions, lies, exaggerations, distortions, guilt trips, threats, or demands. Check the facts and verify the information before taking action. Trust your intuition. If something feels off or wrong about someone or something, listen to your gut feeling. Don't let anyone make you doubt yourself or your reality. Be assertive and set boundaries. Learn how to say no and mean it. Stand up for yourself and let them know you are not to be trifled with. And if they don't get the first messages, send them a stronger one. Don't let anyone pressure you into doing something that you don't want to do or that goes against your values. Respect yourself and your rights. Seek support and advice. Don't isolate yourself from your friends and family who care about you and can help you see things clearly. Talk to someone who can give you honest feedback and guidance. I hope this video was helpful and informative. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more content like this. Thanks for watching and stay safe online. Teachers open the door, but you must enter by yourself. Tilda John Doe.